Hello again, everybody. Right, we're back onto this little Honda 3.5 chicken power motor. I brought parts, so I'm going to do a wee bit of unboxing or unbagging. So what I needed, if I can find it again, was I needed the governor spring, and I did have it just here, but typically it's gone, disappeared. So anyhow, yeah, went and brought parts. I bought I've got another engine I'm doing. There's the governor spring. I'll get that out. I brought a bowl gasket. And I'm doing another engine at the moment as well. A Victor 2-stroke engine. That's the head gasket for it. Here goes another governor spring I thought may have fit. So, may do. And a O-ring for the Victor as well. So, I'll take that off. Here's the other, here goes the other Honda governor spring. It's a bit puckarooed, so that's why I thought I'd buy that other one. So I'll get that bowl gasket in and done. Probably paid to take that right off, really. There we go. Okay. Now with that bowl, I'll probably put it back on. I've decided to go with that one. It's still a little bit rough inside, but it fits the best on the carburetor. So I'll see if I can gently pick that out. There we go. Nice. So that's come out. Now we'll fit that up. Nice fresh rubber. Yep, so there you go. Okay. Seems that slot in there. And it's got wee tangs. Wee tangs right there, so it just holds that in, like so. So that's good. I'll get that on. Right, I think that's in. Yeah, that I've cleaned it up. It shouldn't be a problem now. That seemed to fit the best, so it's from one of my Chinese carburetors, so I thought I'd use that. Yeah, it just seemed to fit the best, so that'll do. click. Right, so that is ready to go on now, and that can go on another carb. Right, I will open that. I'll do that one now. I bought a genuine Honda one. Yeah, that looks a bit better. So, there we go. Proper governor spring. Can you tell the difference? There's no difference, is there? They're equally as good as each other. Right, let's get this on here. Okay, and we should get that carb on too. Right, so that carb will go on there. Right, we'll put that on there. And then we've got that spring goes in there. Okay. Right, so that's on. Okay. And get rid of that. We shall get there. I know where it is. Okay. And I've got these bolts. Got them all collected up in there. Right. Now we need to so that will go to there where my thumb is. So that goes in there like so. And that bolt there and there. I can find the hole. That's good. I think the hole's been found. And we need a small bolt. And the wee bolt in there. Right. There you go. That one doesn't seem to want to fit properly. Thread's the same. Right, so that's operating much better. So what are we looking at here? We're that's idle on the carburetor, and that's full noise there. So that's idle. There you go, so that's all full noise. Spring's doing its job. And that will come back. Yep. Cool bananas. Right. Okay. Tighten up those bolts. What am I doing with 11? I wanted the 10 mil. Okay. Click. Click. Right, so that's all in. Okay. And I think we can get the tank in there. A bit of fiddly. I'm doing the fuel at the moment, fuel line. Okay, fuel line's on. It all goes, choke goes. That's cool. Right, yep. It all seems to go. That's cool. Right. Now I need those two nuts for behind here, just to secure the tank on. Here's the bolt here, and then we've got that bolt there, goes into the tank. Another one to find the hole. Found it. Okay. Let's see if it can pop today. Now I've got all those bits. Okay, so that's on. They're all on. I'll get rid of them. Okay, that's good. It actually works now, so good stuff. Yeah, that's what I want. Nice one. So what have we done? We've put the tank on, put the fuel tap on, carburetor bowl on. We put the cover that I cleaned up on. Okay. It's a bit fiddly. Right, that's the fuel line there. Getting in there. So that's the fuel line, goes into there. So I'm just doing that at the moment, trying to get that fitted. Right. Okay. Right. That's how that should go. Now then, got to fit the bolts to the cover. Okay. We fit it. Okay. I might take that off, and we get it up in there. Even. No. Yep, you're in. Okay. Move it over so we can get to the bolts down here. Got there. I think we've done everything else by the looks of that. There was 4 bolts there. Click. 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 Okay. And now we fit the switch on. Okay. Right. You can go on there now. Right. Click. Click. Okay, so that's the switch on. Now, there's what we've got to do. Yep. Okay, so that's all go. Do we fill up that now? Okay. Right. So that will go on there. Okay, so that goes on there, and that will go onto there. Okay, they will all go there. So that's the vent in there, that all goes in there like so. Okay. Then that will go in there. Right, so that's, that all goes. Fuel shut off goes. Okay. Now we've got these dome nuts that go on there too. So everything's 10mm in here. If you lose your 10mm, you are, yeah, a bit out of luck. Okay, so that's on. That's on. That all goes. Choke. Off. Right. And then got the air cleaner. Yeah, and we're just about there. I couldn't clean that green stuff off. I don't know what it is. Even acetone wouldn't lift it. So, I don't know what that was. bit of acetone and tried rubbing the tank off, but yeah, the green stuff just wouldn't go. Alright, so that's the air cleaner on. Now the air cleaner cover. I've got to find the clamp. Okay. Put some fuel in it. Here's some I prepared earlier. Right, this will be a test for the float bowl gasket too. Just a wee bit of fuel. Enough in there, yep, I'd say. Doesn't appear to be any leaks so far. I've given the carburetor a clean out too, clean the jets, that kind of good stuff. Doesn't appear to be any leaks. Right. On, yep, no fuel leaking, so okay. Right, let's try it and see if it goes. You got the switch on? No, it won't go with no switch on. Oh dear. We have got a leak. Now where's that coming from? Oh, that's no good. We have got a leak. Damn it. Right. I'll get my light and have a look. Oh, I thought it would be good. I would, but my lights doesn't appear to be going. Yeah, emergency. So if we shut that off, will that turn it off? It will. Looks like I've got to charge my batteries up. Yeah, they're totally dead. Okay. I haven't got my other torch down here either. Oh, that's a pity. I thought that would have worked. So if we turn that on again, it starts leaking. So that's all got to come off again. I'm going to run it up anyway and see if that makes a difference. looks like there's something wrong with that in here. Probably can't see, too dark. Right, I'll get you up here then. It still runs. Yeah, looks like there's something wrong in here whenever I turn that. So unfortunately I've got to take it to bits again just to figure out what's going on. Oh, that's a shame. Okay. I don't know what's going on there. Right. Okay, so take all that off again. Actually, what I might do, I might tighten these up a little bit more and just run that like that. Right, let's have a look. Yes. Okay. So we'll shut that off. That's got to come off. Now what's going on there? Let's can go over there. Take that off. And I think it's still got dirt in that carburetor, which is a shame because I've taken that off. Okay. Right, so I've got my torch either. So there's no leaks coming from the inlet. And what I might do then is I might put the original bowl back on it. If I can find it. Here we are. That's the old carburetor from the Chinese engines. Okay. And that's quick and easy to try. Worthwhile trying it. It's just that bowl there seemed to fit better. So obviously something has changed. And the only thing that changed is the fuel bowl. So put a cloth down there to capture the fuel. Right, so Okay. So what we can do is we can turn that fuel on and it leaks. Okay, so that, yeah, that still leaks. So it's the needle and seat. Okay. See, I've got I'm holding that up, that leaks out, which is normal, but then I turn that on, push the float up, and there's fuel still coming out. So that's the needle and seat. So all that carburetor has got to come out again. Got to put another needle and seat in it. Right, okay. So what happens if I put that back in there? Okay. Right, so that fuel's still on and it still leaks. Okay, so we've got leaking. Oh, that's a pain. Okay. I've got to shut that off. Okay. Well, that's a nuisance. So if I shut that off, that will shut that off. Okay. Wow. And that's just residual fuel coming out. Okay, this warrants further investigation. I see the video's getting a wee bit long now. So what I'll do, I think, is I'll take that carburetor off and clean it. Give it another clean. And yeah. Put another needle and seat in it maybe. I'll see what I've got. So the mixture didn't do anything, but it was leaking from around behind there. Alright, well, it looks like that carburetor's got to come off, which is something I didn't want to do. That damn it. Yeah, it's not something I wanted to do. I'll take that tank off again, I think. Alright, yeah. Oh, it looks like getting too long anyway, so. Alright everybody, well, I'm going to have to take this carburetor back off again. Alright, well, thanks for watching this rather long video. Yeah, it looks like I'll have to start another video on this carburetor. Yeah, alright, thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you on the next video.